Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Donna Cocinera, and today I will show you how to make crispy meringue. Separate yolks and egg whites. I use separate bowl to separate my eggs because if there's a bad egg, I will not lose all the eggs. And also all the utensils that you're going to use are all dry and clean. Even a drop of water will ruin the egg white. It will not get stiff. To make the syrup, just combine in a casserole the sugar and enough water on a high heat and then wait to boil. Until it reaches to 240 to 250 degree Fahrenheit. But if you don't have a thermometer, you can test it by drop in a bowl of water. If it gets hard, means it's ready. Remove from heat. And then, in a mixing bowl, combine the egg white and the cream of tartar using the wire whisk. Beat on a high speed until frothy. And when it's frothy, gradually add the sugar. Before it gets stiff, put ice packet around the base of the mixing bowl and slowly pour the syrup. The reason of putting ice packet around the base of the bowl is to keep the meringue cold because the syrup is really hot. Continue beating until stiff. This is how to test the meringue if it is stiff. Put in a piping bag. And pipe over the baking pan lined with wax paper. You can pipe in any size or shape that you like. Bake in preheated oven 140 to 150 degree Fahrenheit for 45 to 1 hour or depend on how thickness of your meringue. Do not open and close the door of the oven and cool it completely inside the oven before taking it out. Hear that? It's crispy. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.